Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Recipes from the Wheelchair. Today we are making a delicious and flavorful Khara Masala Keema, a simple hearty dish packed with aromatic whole spices. Khara Masala Keema is a Pakistani styled whole spices minced meat curry. You can use ground beef, mutton or chicken, and it is slow cooked or sautéed with coarse whole spices rather than fine powders. So let's get cooking. In a pan or wok, heat oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices, bay leaf, black cardamom pods, cinnamon and cumin seeds. Sizzle for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Add in the onion and saute until light brown. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for another 1 minute. Add the ground meat, which is chicken I'm using. Break up the lumps, cook on high flame until color changes and liquid is dried up. Lower the heat to build up the flavor. Add tomatoes, crushed coriander seeds, chili flakes, turmeric, and salt. Mix well. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the tomatoes are mushy. Now we bonify it, which is basically sauteing it on high heat to evaporate the liquid and fry till the oil separates. Stir in the garam masala, pepper powder, which is black pepper powder, and parsley flakes. Mix and cook for 1 minute. Serve garnished with onion rings and, if you like, with lemon wedges, green chillies and cilantro chopped. Cilantro is coriander leaves. And there you have it, delicious and flavorful Khara Masala Keema. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching Recipes from the Wheelchair. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I will inshallah see you in the next recipe. Assalamu alaikum.